Hello, today we're going to be talking about maintaining your barbecue and keeping it at its optimum performance level. We have two options that we sell at Barbecues Galore, a slow acting Barbie Sparkle and a heavy duty Barbie Sparkle. Today we're going to be using the slow acting Barbie Sparkle. This is a great product because you actually see where you're spraying it. So I'm just going to show you how we spray it on the hood on the inside. You just cover every part of the barbecue and you can do the same inside the barbecue around the burners. After you've left it for a few hours, just wipe it off to get rid of any excess and all of the dirt will come off with that. The best way to keep your grills and plates clean is to clean them while they're still hot. As cast iron expands and contracts, when it gets hot, it'll pull that moisture into the grill and it will start rusting from the inside out. So with most steaks, if you're cooking your steak for 7 minutes, you need to let it sit for 3.5. In that time is the best time to give your barbecue grills and plates a really quick clean.